Hi crafters, Tammy here with Tammy and Creative, and I have a TAM tip for you. Say you're in Cricut and you want to create a new material. You've got a material that just isn't cutting right and you need more pressure or less pressure. You can create your own material settings. You just click there on all materials and then you click material settings down here. And then you come to this list. You're going to go all the way to the bottom, add new material, and then you give it a name. I've got some HTV Ront Glitter Permanent Vinyl that I need to give a different number to. So I'm going to click Save, and I'm going to cut this on 225. After practicing with some different pressures, 225 worked perfectly, and it's going to be cutting it like butter. So let's go to 225 and save. Now I've got that in there. I'm going to come all the way to the top, click the X, and I can go to Browse All Materials. I'm going to paste that in and search, and now I can see it's in there. I've got 2 in there. I just wanted to be able to show you this TAM tip so that you know how to add more materials as well. Take care, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!